I was having some trouble squeezing this. It was relatively difficult to squeeze it, and the test was I would push against it with one hand and squeeze it with the other hand. It would get much easier to squeeze. So obviously the door is getting forced out by the seal, so the back face of this part right here and this face of this guy right there, I'll close it. You can simulate that pretty easily. That's the halfway point. That's all the way closed. You can see this face right here, the white grease on it is being forced against that rod, whatever you want to call it. And so I just took some white lithium grease. I tried to spray it on there. It didn't really work, so I just kind of sprayed it on a piece of cardboard, dabbed it on the back. Again, dabbed it on, I can't really see it very well, face up there. And open and close it a few times, dabbed it a few more times, open and close it a few times, dab it, and now it's much, much better. It's pretty straightforward. I think CV grease would also work pretty well. It's metal on metal, relatively high pressure. We'll see how the lithium grease holds up. If it doesn't stick on there, I'll use CV.